start.
I have to pull it that hard the second time. You gotta lift it.
Yeah. I don't know how to use it right yet.
Later in this video, I'm going to go over the specifications of this chainsaw. It's the MS250C. The C stands for comfort. It has a toolless bar, easy adjust as you can see, and you can get the chain off without a tool. And it also has an easy start. These are the specs on the MS250C. The displacement is a 45.4 cc, 2.77 cubic inch. Engine power, 2.2 kilowatts, or 3 horsepower to the bar. Power head weight is 10.1 pounds. The guide bar lengths recommended are 16 inches to 18 inches. It comes 16 inches standard. The fuel capacity is 470 cc, or 15.9 ounces. The chain oil capacity is 200 cc, or 6.8 ounces. It's an oil-o-matic chain at 3.25 RM3.